his size, his hands, his ability to apply pressure. And when Kentucky struggled, they've had fouls rack up against their interior presence. Wow. House go after that rebound. He and Blakeney collide. Both guys going for the ball. Foul's going to be called on House. Great effort, though. Well, that was more of a jump ball. Both guys' hands on it. Just body positioning and the way they both went after it. Georgia-Kentucky game a little bit later on in the regular season game, and it was no contest at Rupp Arena. And Tyler Ulis had his way with J.J. Frazier. It'll be interesting to see that guard matchup in our second game today and see if that's going to change at all. Lob underneath and bringing the house down. For Texas A&M.